I'm gonna be telling you how you can do this type of makeup in the easy way, especially if you are someone who is new to makeup. And also, you can see this is giving me that Pinterest soft glam girl kind of a vibe. So let's get started. And to do this type of makeup look, these are going to be my inspiration. Now first we need to do the skincare, which I've already done. I'm going to apply this serum as this is for sensitive skin, which I have, and before the makeup I'm going to apply it so that I can get a really dewy kind of a base. After applying the serum or setting spray, I'm gonna wait for some time to let it dry. Now for the makeup, first we need to do the color correction, and as you can see I have hyperpigmentation, and to do it I'm gonna take this e.l.f. color corrector, and this is in the shade orange, and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes as this is the area where I have the dark circles and the darkness, and also around this mouth area, because if I don't do this step then my base is not gonna look good. Then I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going to blend this concealer, because in the soft glam makeup we really need to do a good base makeup or else it's not going to look good. Actually, in every makeup look we need to do a good base makeup. Then after color correcting my under eyes, you see this red bumps, first I need to color correct them with the green one. I'm just gonna apply the concealer over these very roughly. By the way, this is the series where I share all the Pinterest inspired makeup look in the easy way. After doing this color correction, I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, which is the same shade of my skin tone, and I'm going to first neutralize these areas, and I'm only going to apply it wherever I've done the color correction. Now I'm going to take this big brush and I'm going to blend it on all over my face. Also, I'm gonna blend this on my eyelids as my eyelids are really pigmented, and also on my forehead. Then I'm gonna take this foundation, which is from Nykaa, and this is also the same shade of my skin tone, but I'm not gonna apply this too much. I'm just only gonna take some of it on my hand. Then I'm gonna buff my brush, and now after applying the foundation, first I'm going to do the eye makeup. I'm going to remove any buildup on my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take this brow gel, which is from e.l.f. In this look, the eyebrows are looking really soft, but also at the same time they are very curated, but not really edgy and extra. So I'm going to do my eyebrows really soft but curated. And to do it, I'm just going to apply this brow gel over my brows in the upward direction really softly, and then I'm gonna carve a tail from the end like this. After this, I'm gonna take the brow pencil. This is from e.l.f. and this is very close to my natural eyebrow color. I'm gonna curate them from the front side by making a really soft line like this. I'm only gonna fill the gap in my brows and then carve a tail from the end. This is giving soft, but it's not looking extra and really edgy. So this is what you have to achieve. Now I'm feeling that this is looking really harsh in terms of shape. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to brush it over my brows so that it can blend any harsh line. Now we're going to do the eyebrows, which is the most important and a bit complicated part, but I'm going to make it really easy for you guys. So to do it, we're going to do a really soft cut crease. I'm hoping to make it happen. And to do it, first we're going to take the concealer, which is the light shade to our skin tone. It could be 1 to 2 shade lighter. I'm going to take this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I'm going to apply it on my eyelid as I want my eyes to look really white. I'm going to take this blending brush. Then I'm going to blend this concealer on my eyelids. After blending your concealer on the eyelids, take a loose powder and apply it over your eyelids, as this is gonna give you really matte eyelids. That is gonna make your eye makeup really easy, as this is a very important step if you're doing this type of eye makeup. Actually, any type of eye makeup needs to have a good loose powder setting on your eyelids. And also do it here, because this is also the area where we do the eye makeup blending. Then moving towards the eye makeup, I'm gonna take this kind of really soft brown shade, and this palette is from Makeup Revolution. Then I'm gonna apply this shade in my crease line with a really soft hand, and I'm gonna take it forward but not too much. I'm just only gonna take it till my half lid or the center of my lid, just here. And then after blending inwards or into the crease line, I'm gonna blend it outwards. After applying this shade, we're going to take a shade which is darker than this, and I'm going to take this shade from the same palette and I'm going to apply it on the outward corner of my eye And you should not blend this or apply the shade above your crease line, or else it's gonna be a bit difficult for you guys to make a cut crease. So I'm just only gonna blend it till the center of my lid and only inwards. I'm not gonna take this forward or outwards. After blending this shade, take the lightest concealer you have by your side. I'm taking the same shade and I'm gonna apply it first on my hand. Then I'm gonna take this brush. It's a really soft and flat brush. I'm gonna buff this brush into this concealer and I'm gonna apply this concealer on my eyelids from the edge. I'm just gonna dab it. I'm not gonna take it like this, as I need the pigment of the concealer here, so I'm just gonna dab it into this area by taking it till the center of my lid. It's getting somewhere. After this, I'm going to take a really white or beige kind of shade on the same flat brush and I'm going to set this concealer with the same shade. Then I'm going to take the brown shade, and if you don't want to do this soft cut crease thing, you can simply just apply the beige or white kind of shade in your inner corner and you're good to go. Take this brown shade on the same flat brush like this. I'm going to make a really soft line over this cut crease. Then you need to blend this brown shade upwards, not inwards, with really light hand so that it can give that perfect soft crease. And try to blend it in your inner corner by taking it towards your nose bridge. You see, this is giving a really nice cut crease and I was not expecting this, honestly. Let me tell you, this is a bit complicated on hooded eyes. So if I can do it on my eyelids, you can definitely do it. Now after doing this, take this type of silver or any kind of glitter shade which can highlight your eye more, and apply the shimmer shade over this concealer and this loose powder thing and take it forward till the inner corner. Then do this type of thing the same way you applied the concealer and take it till your center of the eyelid, and also in your inner lid till the center of your lid, but only below your crease line. I'll be taking this black shade and we're gonna do really soft kind of a wing liner, and to do it I'm just gonna dab it really close to my upper lash line. And I've done the half wing liner till the center of my lid. I'm going to take the same black shade and apply it in my inner corner or in my tear duct, and then I'm going to take it forward by pushing it towards my nose. Then I'm going to take this type of brown shade and then I'm going to apply the shade in my lower lash line by smoking this towards my wing liner. And then in the end, I'm going to take this type of black pencil and I'm going to apply it in my waterline. After doing my eye makeup, I'm going to take this mascara which is from Maybelline and this is in the shade black, and I'm going to apply it. So I'm not going to apply the fake lashes because they doesn't look good on my face. So you can just add your fake lashes if you want to. And you can see the eye makeup is done. After the eye makeup, I'm going to apply the concealer under my eyes. I'm using the same one. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, but not too much. Then I'm going to blend this concealer. Now after blending this concealer, I'm going to take some loose powder which is from Maybelline and this is of my same shade, and then I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes. This makeup is looking really matte and dry, so I'm going to apply some setting spray, taking this from Milani. Now I'll take a bronzer which is from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to do a really soft nose contouring by only making a line over my nose bridge. And I'm gonna blend it towards this soft brown eye shade. This is gonna bring everything together in this area. Now I'll apply the same bronzer on my cheekbone, but I'm not gonna apply this too much as there is no need to do it. I'm just only gonna apply it on my cheekbone, very less. That's it. I'm gonna blend it towards my head. Then I'm going to take a blush. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is a nude shade which kind of doesn't look that vibrant on my skin. And apply it over my bronzer here. Then I'm going to blend this only upwards by taking it into my hairline. After applying this blush shade, I'm going to take a vibrant kind of a blush shade. But first I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand, or else it's going to be a big mistake if I do it directly onto my skin. And I'm going to apply it in the center of my cheek. Like this. Very softly and with a light hand. And I'm only gonna apply it in the center, but I'm not gonna apply it too much, or else it's gonna look really bad on my face. Then I'm gonna take a pink highlighter or the rose gold. It's from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna apply it on my nose tip and also on my nose bridge. And also here. Warmth of your finger is gonna make this highlighter blending more easy and amazing. So try to do it with your finger. And then for the lips, I'm going to take this pink lip liner which is from Nykaa, and I'm going to try to overline them from this cupid bow. And then I'm going to apply this lip gloss which is from ELF. I'm only going to apply it in the center of my lips. After this, I'm going to take this gloss which is from Makeup Revolution. After the lips, I'm going to take this pressed powder which is from Maybelline, and I'm going to dust it under my eyes. What do you think of this look? Did you find it easy and useful? And also, is it giving that soft cut crease kind of look and also soft glam? And if you liked it, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.